Hi all, welcome to the world of GK for learning general knowledge. Today, let's see the Padma Awardees of 2021. If you not yet subscribe my channel and enable bell icon to get all notifications. Let's start. Padma Awards are one of the highest civilian honors of India, announced annually on the eve of Republic Day. The awards are given in three categories: Padma Vibhushan Award, Padma Bhushan Award, and Padma Shri Award. In 2021, there are 7 Padma Vibhushan awardees, 10 Padma Bhushan awardees, and 102 Padma Shri awardees. First, let's see the Padma Vibhushan awardees. First one is Sri Shinzo Abe. He received Padma Vibhushan in the field of public affairs. He is former Prime Minister of Japan. Next one is Sri S.P. Balasubramaniam. He has been awarded posthumously. That means he has been awarded after his death in the field of art. He was a veteran musician and playback singer from Tamil Nadu. Next is Dr. Belle Monappa Hegde. He received Padma Vibhushan in the field of medicine. He is a cardiologist and professional educator from Karnataka. Dr. Belle Monappa Hegde. Next Padma Vibhushan awardee is Sri Narinder Singh Kapani. Sri Narinder Singh Kapani. He has also been awarded posthumously in the field of science and engineering. He is an Indian American physicist and he is known as father of fiber optics. Sri Narinder Singh Kapani. Next Padma Vibhushan awardee is Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan received Padma Vibhushan in the field of spiritualism. He is an Islamic scholar and peace activist from Delhi. Maulana Wahiduddin Khan. Next one, Sri B.B. Lal. Sri B.B. Lal received Padma Vibhushan in the field of archaeology. He is a well-known archaeologist from Delhi. Our last Padma Vibhushan awardee, that is the 7th person, is Sri Sudarshan Sahu. He received Padma Vibhushan in the field of art. He is a well-known sculptor from Odisha. Sri Sudarshan Sahu. Now let's see Padma Bhushan awardees. First one is Mrs. K.S. Chitra. She received Padma Bhushan in the field of art. She is a well-known Indian musician and playback singer. She is from Kerala. Next Padma Bhushan awardee is Sri Tarun Gogoi. Sri Tarun Gogoi, he has been awarded posthumously in the field of public affairs. He was former Chief Minister of Assam. Next Padma Bhushan awardee is Sri Chandrasekhara Kambara. Sri Chandrasekhara Kambara received Padma Bhushan in the field of literature and education. He is an Indian poet, playwright and film director from Karnataka. Next is Mrs. Sumitra Mahajan. She received Padma Bhushan in the field of public affairs. She was ex-Union Minister and Speaker of 16th Lok Sabha. She is from Madhya Pradesh. Next one is Sri Ramvilas Paswan. He received Padma Bhushan in the field of public affairs. Actually, he has been awarded posthumously. He has been awarded Padma Bhushan posthumously in the field of public affairs. He was an Indian politician and Cabinet Minister of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution. He was also the president of Lok Janshakti Party. He was from Bihar. Now let's see now we have completed 5 Padma Bhushan awardees. Now let's see the other 5 Padma Bhushan awardees. Sixth one is Sri Nrupendra Mishra. Received Padma Bhushan in the field of civil service. He is from Uttar Pradesh. Next one is Sri Keshubhai Patel. Received Padma Bhushan in the field of public affairs. He has been awarded posthumously. He was from Gujarat. Next is Sri Kalbe Sadiq. He has been awarded posthumously for spiritualism. Sri Kalbe Sadiq awarded Padma Bhushan for spiritualism and he was from Uttar Pradesh. Next one is Sri Rajnikant Devidas Shroff. Sri Rajnikant Devidas Shroff received Padma Bhushan in the field of trade and industry. He is from Maharashtra. And last Padma Bhushan awardee is Sri Tarlochan Singh. Received award in the field of public affairs. He is from Haryana. And we have already seen that 102 members received Padma Shri awards. So that's all about today's video. If you like the lesson, please click the like button, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Thank you.